Hello everybody, welcome to another episode of Car Addiction. Today I wanted to tell you about the engine oil change intervals of BMW. So on this 328i, the suggested oil change interval is 26,000 kilometers. And I'm like, oh my god, really? That is just crazy. Because sorry, I'm just trying to back. It is possible to get an oil which will last 26,000 kilometers. It's not a problem. But the issue is, what about the filter? Because the oil filters will not definitely last. So what happened is, I noticed this engine oil low light, and it also showing it needed an extra liter of oil. So I asked the owner, which is my brother, and I asked him when was the last time you changed the oil. He basically said sometime about 25,000 kilometers ago, and I'm like, really? So just got an oil change done. So what happens is, yes, 26,000 kilometers, but the oil evaporates, it goes through your PCV valve, and your engine does burn some oil. It happens on every vehicle. And the oil level was a liter lower than what it's supposed to be. So the whole purpose of 26,000 kilometers, now your vehicle is running with low engine oil. Just change your oil every 8 to 10,000 kilometers if you're using full synthetic. So save your vehicle from a new motor. Alright? Please like and subscribe to my channel and stay tuned for more awesome videos.